I'm Michael Libby, a heavy equipment operating engineer, and I'm going to do an air brakes test on this dump truck behind me. First, we're going to do a low pressure warning test. We're going to start the engine, and the warning signals should go off at 60 psi. We are at 60 psi and the warning signals have gone off. Number two, we're going to do a compressor test, which is 85 psi to 100 psi within 45 seconds. We are at 85 psi. We're at 100 psi, so it passes. The third test is our governor test. From 125 psi, I'm going to depress the brake pedal to make sure the governor kicks on at 100 psi. Governor kicked on at 100 psi. Number four is our leak test. I'm going to turn the engine off, chop the tires, and release the brake. And I should have no more than 3 pounds of air drop in 1 minute. The tires are chopped. I've had no air loss. This truck passes. Thank you.